Hey there, snack enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel, where we believe that snacking can be a delicious and balanced part of a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're sharing 11 valuable tips for choosing healthy snack options and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1. Aim for a balanced plate. When choosing snacks, think about including a variety of food groups. Opt for a combination of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. This ensures you're getting a good mix of nutrients and flavors. Tip number 2. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes when snacking. Use small bowls or plates to help control the amount you consume. This allows you to enjoy your favorite snacks without overindulging. Tip number 3. Choose nutrient-dense snacks. Look for snacks that are packed with nutrients. Opt for options like fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grain crackers. These choices provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your overall health. Tip number 4. Include healthy fats. Don't shy away from fats. Choose snacks that contain healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats provide energy and help keep you satisfied between meals. Tip number 5. Prioritize protein. Including protein in your snacks helps keep you full and supports muscle repair and growth. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, boiled eggs, and lean meats are excellent sources of protein. Tip number 6. Stay hydrated. Opt for snacks that have high water content, such as watermelon, cucumbers, and celery. These snacks not only provide hydration but also contribute to your daily intake of vitamins and minerals. Tip number 7. Make your own snacks. Prepare homemade snacks whenever possible. This gives you control over the ingredients and allows you to avoid excessive added sugars, unhealthy oils, and preservatives commonly found in store-bought snacks. Tip number 8. Practice mindful snacking. Slow down and fully enjoy your snacks. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations. This helps you appreciate the experience and prevents mindless overeating. Tip number 9. Choose natural sweeteners. If you have a sweet tooth, opt for snacks that use natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or dates. These alternatives provide a touch of sweetness without the added refined sugars. Tip number 10. Sneak in vegetables. Get creative and incorporate vegetables into your snacks. Add sliced cucumbers or bell peppers to your hummus, or make veggie-filled wraps or smoothies. It's a great way to increase your veggie intake. Tip number 11. Mix and match. Create balanced snack combinations by including a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For example, pair apple slices with peanut butter or whole grain crackers with cheese. These combinations provide sustained energy and keep you satisfied. And there you have it. 11 tips for choosing healthy options and maintaining a healthy lifestyle as a balanced snacker. Remember, snacks can be enjoyable and nourishing at the same time. Incorporate these tips into your snacking routine and feel good about the choices you make. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and delicious recipes. Happy snacking!